Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to design a web page like that, a filter search with posts and the designs like changing the colors and hovering, and there is a little bit space between the posts and the size of the pictures, the logos between the posts. Move to the Visual Studio Code and open a folder right now and move to the desktop because I selected, and this filter search, select the folder right now. You need to have the following images like these are the images. I am just putting it right now, and so now you have to create the file. For example, I'm just creating filter search dot html. Okay, then I have to create the CSS file also, so I'll say filter search dot CSS. It's kind of, we are using HTML, this is the basic building block, and we are using CSS, this is the designing for the website. So we created these two files and we should have some sort of images like that. I just open it up right now, so we should make it private. So I'm just right now I'm just removing it, and let's come to the coding. So we are writing HTML code, so we should put our code inside, and we are just creating some sort of div, like we should create the div and with some classes, so we should put the dot and the class name which we are going to do to naming it. Okay, so right now I just click it outright, and now this is the div. Okay, it's a container. Now in the here you can click it now right now and access your website web page right now you are creating, but it has nothing because it is empty. We even didn't put anything with it. In header part we can create a title, title just for the website. We can say it search filter for website. So right now we just created it at that point. Now we are just going to create another stops like the search box and the website. So I'm just going to create right now input. Okay, input is as any kind of a form or box. You can put the value, you can put the value they want value from you, and you should put. So what is the ID? The ID is a constant type where you can call it right now where you want it. So let's put it ID. So what is the ID of the ID of this search? So we can call the ID later in the CSS file. Okay, then right over here we can move on to the body. Okay, sorry, we are here in the body. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry for that. I had some sort of mistakes. So I created one div, it means one box I created. Let's see our website how it is created right now. So you can see the right on the left side in the corner a box is appeared. So you should move right now here in the Visual Studio and let's go and create it. Okay, so right now I just created one div. I will just create another div inside in it, so it will contain the container results. Okay, and this in this div we should put some sort of post. We are posting something and we should search. There should be something we should search for. The after that we are putting another div inside that div, div dot post. That should be a post type, like we are just posting something. Okay, a post, and we have to put the image, sorry, the image source. Okay, and the image source will be, I will just put it down, zeta dot png. Okay, this is the address of the image, and you can say it an alternative. You can put the text whenever the internet is not working better. So the instead of image there will be a text, that there is a text. So I put it the logo of my own company, Zeta. So this was the image, and I am just going to put the title for it, right? And the title should have a definite class like post title, right? I put it here. Now I should write what is that. So Zeta Tech, this is the one search we are using, and I should save it right over here. I came here, and let's see what you're looking. The image I just put it down, and the title h1. Right over here we can come, we come here. Let's create another one. So for creating another one, I'll just copy the above. Okay, and after that I will paste it, then I will paste it again, then I will paste it again. So let's see, we should change the title for that. Let's see, right, we can change here Oppo, and we can change here right over here Oppo, and then we can change the let's come towards the CSS. The CSS for the purpose to how to design the website or the web page. Now we are just going to design the search filter and the post right over here. So I'm just coming to the CSS file, and the first thing I have to manage, the important thing and the first thing I have to manage is a CSS file. So the first thing I'm just putting it the body. We should I have to make it beautiful and more attractive. So the background color for these will be hash 131315, and this is being going right over here. This is the what I, and then we have to select the font family for it. The font family is manus space. I'll just this is my choice, your choice will be different, so you can select different according to your business, according to your point of view. What are you doing in the project? We are just trying to make it possible. So the container is just making, we are trying to make it more attractive. So the width of the container, width, oh sorry, the spelling is spelling mistake, it's okay. Let's come, sorry, width, of the container is right now, I just selected 70%, right? And then the margin for the container is auto. This is what I selected for the container specifically. So the position will be, absolute. Okay, so we have to select the absolute position, and top 50% right over here. Okay, done. That's great. We are just going so much fast, right? And the left, so we will put the left and the 50%, and you will see the results. Okay, I'm not discussing the basic things because you have to learn already. I'm just bringing small projects that can help you to and enhance you and making ready for the for further the project where you have to make yourself and be. I'm just saying all the best to you guys. And please subscribe my channel. I'm just not going to request you again and again, but I'm telling you, subscribe it right over here because I'm working for you guys and you guys should subscribe my channel. Okay? You should be the web developer. So if you are going to be the web developer, sorry, minus 50%. I just selected right now here. So that is transform. Now you can see it how our website is right now. Our website is ready or not. So we can refresh it. So this is because of the focus and the margin we used. Now we have to make reliable everything and the post will be looking good. So let's do it right over here. So that was for the container. Now we should put uh, result container. Okay, that I put it over here, and let's see what is going to happen. It's very interesting because we are making it interesting and you guys are also making it interesting with me. So this is 480 pixels. I just put it here, and after that we will see the look of the website. And let's see, we will overflow will be auto automatically. It's okay. I'm just showing you the project. It doesn't mean that I'm just list. This is I just saved it right over here. Let's visit the website right over here, and there is a little bit changes. You will feel a little bit difference, but it doesn't have differences right over here. So the one thing you should remember is text area. So we should edit the text area, and the text area should be focus. That is the property of CSS. If you guys don't know, so comment and comment me that write in the comment that please uh, bring some sort of courses. So I'll bring some sort of courses for you guys. Outline will be none. Okay, that's great. We are doing great. Okay, so you guys are also with me. Then the container container input. I will say select the input in the container both classes, and let's see, we have to design it. So its width should be 98%. And if you guys don't understand the basics of the coding, so you guys should write in the comment section that we needed background color. I will select the background color, and it must be 1315. Okay, and border from right to left and up down. So I'm just going border from the border uh, 1 pixels, uh, solid. It should be solid. The borders 1 pixel solid, and the color should be 99 uh, 885 B. That is the color. So we just choose the color right. This is my choice. You can choose a different color. Okay, it doesn't matter. So the height should be right over here. The height should be 25 pixels. You can see it right now. And the border radius we can select over here is 25 pixels. Let's assume it because we should put it equally. And margin bottom will be margin bottom is 25 pixels, and padding padding lift is 2%, I guess. Okay, and the color, we should select the color for it. Color is white, and that is all about the container. We are just created the container and the input. So I should say, let's visit our website. There must be some changes, like this is the container is changeable and its width is also increasing because we bring the change some sort of some things in the post, because posts are far more important. So the display will be plex. If you guys are asking about what is display and what is plex, so I'm not gonna answer it. Okay, you should answer by whether you, because you are the developer, so these are just the flat. Okay, flat means these text are just flat. Okay, so right now come to here, come to the point, come to the CSS again. Okay, and let's see the flex direction. Let's choose the flex direction. Where is flex? So they should be in the row. Okay, if they are in the row, okay, let's see, they're now in the row. They're in the row. Okay, they were not in the row and they are now in the row. Okay, and then we should choose the background color. It is far more important. Okay, and I will choose the color. Okay, and I'll choose the color. I choose the color padding as 2% because we selected 2%. Now the padding is 2%, and let cursor. Okay, we will cursor. Sorry, cursor, and it will be a pointer. Okay, what kind of cursor will be there on the on which we click on the post right over here. So if I am just going to save it and going to the website right over here, so this appearing the cursor right now on the on the page. So let's move it and improve it furthermore, and the transition all, and 0.23 will be transition for the website. Margin bottom, I just select our margin button and it will be 25 pixels according to the page. Okay, and after that I'm just adding some properties to the post. So the post will be hover means hover mean that when you click on the post, okay, the pointer will be changed. Okay, and when the pointer will be changed, so I'll just select the hover box shadow, sorry, box shadow. Okay, and it will be 0 pixel, 1 pixel, 0.5 pixels, and the color of the hover will be 9985 FB. It is right. And let's move and further improve it. Okay, so I just added some image to these posts. Okay, these images, so I have to apply some properties to these images, so it will be more attractive, and I will call the post img. Okay, and then I will just put some properties here. I will fix the width right over. If you can see, the width of these posts are not going looking good. Okay, so this is not looking good. So for that we will further move to the Visual Studio Code. Sorry. Okay, so let's select the width for it. specify the width for it, and it will be 100 pixel, and you will watch what are the changes right over here for this. And select the height, same height with same width, that it looks same. Okay, and if we are further moved to the website, so you can see there are more changes occur inside in it. After that, I am just coming to the Visual Studio Code, and I am just applying to the properties to the head. Okay, so post, this has been the last thing left, I think. Post h1, inside in the post there is h1, and h1 I will apply h1 font size. I'll fix it for font size to 20 pixel, that it look good according to their area. Margin, sorry, margin, and I'll set it at auto is the space, write it margin left. I'll change margin left, sorry, margin left, left. Okay, margin left how much? 25 pixels. Okay, then I am just going to save it, and color, I think color should be white, it is black still. Let's know about that. Okay, and let's move to our website. Now it's looking better.